Yeah.
Order filled, check us out.
You know what time it is.
This is Mighty Soldiers exclusive.
Yeah. Let's get it. Let's get it.
What's up, guys? I'm Andy with Mighty Soldiers Trades.
And I'm Sarah.
And today we're just going to get right into it. First of all, I just want to start off, we're streaming every day on bullishbears.com. Have an amazing community over there. Come check us out. I think you'd really love the community. Great place to learn.
Really
Even if I'm not the one telling you guys something, everybody in the community is helping each other. Today we had several people answering questions among each other, so
yeah,
really great place to be. So what did we trade today, Sarah?
Today we traded MOGO. They announced its Mogo Spend app now supports Apple Pay, Google Pay, and Samsung Pay.
So MOGO was basically the only thing out the gates today, and I thought it was gonna, dump after open. And pretty much
Yeah.
same thing, new level of resistance on the 5 minute, new level of resistance on the 5 minute. Don't know what it's done since then, just kind of
Right.
left because this whole Biden-elect and President Trump and not getting reelected has really got pot stocks going today.
Yeah.
Not to be political or what politician we agree with or don't agree with, that really doesn't matter. As far as that goes, guys, just love your family, love your friends. Don't fight about politics. Just move on and accept whatever's going on.
Exactly.
And look at what you have to do to adapt to move on, and that's basically it. And today,
Yeah.
pot stocks were it.
Today you traded SNDL for a pot stock.
So I traded SNDL, which was the worst pot stock on the list today. ACB just totally ripped, got the flow index, flow trade right here. The flow index was just pushing the highs. As you see, we pulled back on the flow index right now.
Right.
And we can even throw in a replay for the trading action at ACB. It was unbelievable, amazing. More than doubled the flag, so to speak.
So do you think pot stocks is something you'd watch?
Well, I would definitely keep an eye on
Yeah,
pot stocks.
I
I
think
would
so, too.
look for pullback, continuation. Just like the China trade war, though, I would be a little suspicious. We have this
that's
presidential
something to
thing
think
going
about,
on. We got Trump saying he's going to contest everything here, and lawsuit in Georgia, and then
I think almost every state.
and yeah,
That's not done yet.
and every state that's not done yet, some sort of lawsuit going on.
Yeah.
And if we could just make light of the situation, and even if we support the guy, make fun of it a little bit, and the guy that's coming in, let's make fun of him a little bit too. That's what we do as Americans. We make fun of our president-elect and president. That's
Every
it's
single
a
one
pastime.
of them.
So
Yeah.
let's do that instead of fighting each other, guys.
Right.
And also, we traded EQ earlier. Had really light volume. I think it was under 200,000 traded. And I would say if you guys are going to trade something like that, just be really careful. What I did was EQ got hit off the highs really hard, pulled down. I grabbed right there, whoever got tricked and trapped, I grabbed the end of that. And I ended up getting put back into profit. And I don't know how many times I traded that, but I did have 5 trades today that were positive.
Yeah, you traded EQ twice.
So twice on EQ, twice in that very, very, very light volume on that one.
Yeah, it was pretty light when you were in it, but hey, it turned out good anyway.
And AUVI, I've been looking at AUVI. It's holding up. No matter what tricks it throws at me or anybody else, you can see that there's some strength there on the daily. So this could even be turned into a swing. I'm not sure. It could have passed the point where I'd even want it as a swing at this point. But, I did grab some profit in AUVI. SMLP, that was another one.
Yeah, they had earnings today.
Yeah, so SMLP, basically, we had already had that real body rejection at the highs on the 5 minute. We'd already pulled down to a new level of resistance, another new level of resistance. Then we totally dumped off some big heavy red candles on the 5 minute, almost back near previous close. And that's where I grabbed it, and I just decided to sit in there for a few and wait for it to put me back in profit. It did, and it worked out really well. I got 0.44% of my entire account today,
Yeah.
To some of you, that might sound amazing. To some of you, that might sound like not much, but, make yourself a nice, decent-sized account in your head and just do the math on if you get, even 0.44% per week. And as I am going for 1% per day on my account, that's only for risk management purposes, so I don't go for 15 and wreck my account.
Yeah.
What I'm really going for, what I really want is just 1% per week. 1% per week can keep me
That adds up.
doing really good,
Yeah.
paying some bills, and anything I want to do. So
Right.
if we're getting into these trades and we're feeling any sort of stress, if you're ever having that, I'm just going to say, oh crap moment, as soon as you get in, you're like, I don't know what's going on. When in doubt, get to freak out, but at the same time, maybe the position sizes are a little too big. Maybe we need to lighten up a lot. And, I've heard goals that are a little too big. Like my grandma always said, your eyes are bigger than your belly. My mom always said that. Your eyes are bigger than your belly. Well, maybe our eyes are bigger than our belly with a lot of these trades. But anyways, if we're going for our first year of trading and we want to get double our account, triple our account, 5 times our account, 10 times our account, maybe let's just work on getting a little bit more than what we started with at the end of the year. Let's work on keeping what we started with even.
Right.
I think it'd be a grand goal if we start with a grand to actually have a grand at the end of the year, our first year of trading. That would be you'd be a great success.
Yeah, it would be.
So I mean, I'm not telling you guys how to trade or what you need to do with your money, but I really think that this would be a great way to look at this. You guys and me myself too. I'm guilty of this. We go in this, and our eyes are bigger than our bellies. We're wanting way too much, way too fast. We're looking at the percentage scale and okay, so compounding 1% today, 1% tomorrow, 1%. Like I said, 1% for me per day is just risk management. It's that I don't want to go over that. I don't want to get too big on what I'm looking for. It's not so I can get 1% per day on my account.
Right.
That's kind of ridiculous. That's private island type.
Yeah, because there's some days it's hard to even get anywhere near that. A lot of times. So
yeah, I think the problem is people look at these numbers on a daily micro scale. Like we're zooming in. We're not looking at the big picture here. Like for example, if you got a $1,000 account and you got $6 in a day, you're doing pretty good.
Yeah.
I'm saying great job for you, but you're looking at your $1,000 account and you're saying I didn't get $50 today, $40 today even or something, so I didn't do good enough. And it's like that's kind of.
I think as long as you're making money and not losing money, you're doing pretty good.
Look, if you're hitting $20 on a $1,000 account, if you're hitting $20 on a $2,000 account, if you've got a cash account, you got $2,000 in your account, and you're getting $20 per day, man, thumbs up. I think you're doing amazing. And I would be more than happy to take a $6 win.
Right. Me too.
So just consider that and add that up. Add those really small numbers that you don't see as big enough. Add those up over time, and you'll really appreciate that. It'll take the stress away and make this a lot easier. And you'll be in the game to actually learn the game. And then you can let those winners run, and maybe you will hit some big home runs. But trying to hit home runs before you can get consistent doesn't make sense.
Right, exactly.
I mean, pretty much I think that's all for what we traded today. And guys, don't forget, we're in the Benzinga Bootcamp coming up this Tuesday.
Yep.
Coming up.
November 10th.
November 10th, Benzinga Bootcamp. We'll put the link in the description for you guys. And definitely don't want to miss that. I'm so excited. Thank you so much for Benzinga. We're honored to be included here.
Right.
And maybe we'll put like an image up with my picture, showing how cool this is. It's cool to me. I'm honored. So thank you so much, and we'll see you guys next time.
Yeah, check us out.
Yeah.
Ordered Phil, check us out.
You know what time it is.
This is the Mighty Soldiers exclusive.
Yeah. Let's get it. Let's get it. If you wanna take it to the streets, let's get it. If you wanna take it to the booth, let's get it. I'm about to take it to the top, let's get it. We ain't never ever gonna stop, let's get it. You ain't never heard nobody spit like this. Call the paramedics when I get like this. Front page news when I wreck like this. Hop in the booth and I wreck that shit like,
If you with the squad, then you already know what's up. It be going down, but my account is going up. I'm about to make another $100,000. Rolling up that chain, I'm about to take another puff.
Hold up, I made a killing, now my pockets got swole up. Independent, now I'm taking over. I'm a lot richer, you a lot broker. I'm a pot smoker, stockbroker, blowing up like a supernova. On my mama, I was born a soldier, the best in the game, man, I thought I told you. If you wanna take it to the streets, let's get it. If you wanna take it to the booth, let's get it. I'm about to take it to the top, let's get it. We ain't never ever gonna stop, let's get it. You ain't never heard nobody spit like this. Call the paramedics when I get like this. Front page news when I wreck like this. Hop in the booth and I wreck that shit like, I am unstoppable, I can do anything I ever wanted to. Never did anything they ever wanted me to. Got on my side and I'm not gonna lose and they're not gonna win. I see them, the haters, it's all cause I'm getting dollars again. Commas on commas on commas, I'm buying the dip. The market is dropping again. I can see him hating from the sidelines. If you see a hater, tell him bye-bye. Watch my money grow, 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 grow. And my wifey like, whoa, 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 whoa. Somebody better stop me cause there ain't no competition and I'm coming for the top position. Obliterating the opposition every time that I jot it in the composition. Everybody wanna stop and listen cause I bring it to you hotter than the oven in your mama kitchen. I be getting hit like a politician. I'ma get bread when you stack looking taller than Scottie Pippen. Ain't nobody ready for the Armageddon when I pop the clip and I ain't playing. I'm spraying you brain, I'm bringing the pain like Damon Wayne. You disappear like David Blaine. I'm dropping bombs, Saddam Hussein. Stop and aim, pop you lames and pop champagne. I ain't playing so stop the games, you know the name. If you wanna take it to the streets, let's get it. If you wanna take it to the booth, let's get it. I'm about to take it to the top, let's get it. We ain't never ever gonna stop, let's get it. You ain't never heard nobody spit like this. Call the paramedics when I get like this. Front page news when I wreck like this. Hop in the booth and I wreck that shit like, Yeah. 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 All right, man, I'm out.